We are taking a brief look at the AYN Odin 2 Super Dock. Let's get straight on with it and see what it can do. Inside the box is a user guide which is in English and Chinese. And we have the dock itself. It measures around 4.9 by 3.7 by 1 inches and weighs around 252 grams. On the front we have the docking slot with a USB Type-C which goes into the Odin 2. On the left are two USB 3 ports. On the back is the power LED, USB PD charge port for up to 100 watts charging, a HDMI 2 port and gigabit Ethernet port. And on the right side are two USB 2 ports for a keyboard and mouse, for example. The top of the dock lifts up to reveal a slot to install a SSD. A list of all the types are on screen. It simply slots into place and then is held down with a small rubber screw thingy. Using the dock is very easy. Connect any cables and peripherals you want to use. If you want to output to a TV, then connect a HDMI cable, wireless controller dongle, keyboard and mouse dongle and so on. Once you're ready, dock your Odin 2 and power on. After a few moments it should appear on the TV. If your Odin 2 display is blank, you can go into the settings to leave the display on if you prefer seeing on both at the same time. If you are using a new SSD, open the Files app and choose it from the side menu. Click on the three dots and then Storage Settings and you can format it for Android there. You can copy over any files to the new storage, such as more games. You can never have enough. Plenty of space for movies, music and more. The AYN Super Dock is a great accessory if you enjoy gaming whilst on the go and chilling out on a sofa with a wireless controller. You get up to 4K 60Hz on your TV, wired internet connection and more. As a note, it is also compatible with the AYN Odin 1. The Lite model does not support video output over USB, but everything else works fine. The Base and Pro models support video over USB and everything also works great. You can learn more about the AYN Odin 2 Super Dock and get yours today from us at DroiX.co.uk and DroiX.net for worldwide shipping. We currently have a sale running with a great price for the dock, so don't miss out.